Hey, lovelies, it's Tracy. One area of my beauty life that I don't have a strong skill set is painting my nails. I go to the nail salon to get my fingernails done. I usually get a pedicure there as well. I'm just not skilled in this particular area, and I'm incredibly impatient. I recently got a chance to try the mini Macaron in Milkshake. So it is pure white gel nail polish. It comes with the cutest little LED light. And what you do is put your polish on, you insert your finger in here, push the button on the top, wait 30 seconds, timer shuts off automatically, you apply a second coat, repeat, and you're done. No top coat, not anything too fancy. Just remember you have to polish the nail or scruff the surface of the nail first to give it a little bit of texture for the gel to attach to. This can also be used for pedicure, which is how I used it for my review. You just take the top off and then it will sit like this. And that way you can sit it and bring your toenails underneath it. Not the easiest thing to work with, and you need to be really patient. But if you have the time and you're curious about doing a gel manicure or pedicure at home, it's fun, it's convenient, you can travel with it, it has a USB, and I had all the pieces I needed to do a good pedicure. I can't get my feet out to the camera, so you're gonna have to trust me and just check out the still shot on beautytap.com. But if you are interested in doing your own gel manicure, give this a try and let me know what you think.